Hi viewers, welcome back to Ramanathan B classes. Today we are going to do a very important derivation, centroid of a triangle. How to find centroid of a triangle when you are given three vertices. Suppose we have a triangle and its vertices are x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. These are the three vertices of a triangle and we are supposed to find centroid. Before we find coordinates of a centroid, we must know what is centroid. The point of concurrence of medians of a triangle. Now what are medians? The line segment joining midpoint of a side to its opposite vertex. Suppose this is the midpoint of BC and its opposite vertex is A. So AD becomes a median. Similarly, if we take a point E over here and we join it to B, it becomes BE. B is acting as a median. Similarly, we take midpoint of AB. Suppose this is F point and if we join C to F, what happens? All the medians pass through a point. This is the passing point of three medians. This point is known as centroid. Suppose its coordinates are x, comma y. X, comma y. These are the coordinates of centroid. Now, what is the duty of centroid? It does some job. And what is that job? Centroid actually divides the median into two parts such that 2 is to 1. This is 2 units, this is 1 unit. This is 2 unit, this is 1 unit. This is 2 unit, this is 1 unit. This way, we are supposed to find the centroid. What is x over here? What is y over here? We are supposed to find this. Now, how will you do it? Suppose, let us consider point D. What are the coordinates of D? This is the midpoint x2 plus x3, x2 plus x3 by 2, y2 plus y3 by 2. These are the coordinates of point D. Now we have AD. AD is the line segment and this is the centroid x comma y. It's dividing it into 2 into 1 ratio. This is the ratio. This divided into 2 into 1. And coordinates of A are x1, y1. Whereas coordinates of D x2 plus x3 by 2, y2 plus y3 by 2. Now we are supposed to find this. Suppose this is point P. What are the coordinates of P? Now we have already done section formula. We can apply section formula over here. X is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. What is m1? This is your m1. This is your m2. m1 x2. This is acting as x1. This is x2. y1. This one is y2. So you can apply these values in this. What do you get? In place of m1, you can replace it by 2. x2 means this is the value x2 plus x3 by 2 plus m2. In place of m2, we can replace it by 1. x1 is x1. This one upon m1 upon m1 plus m2. What do you get? m1 plus m2. These two cancelled. What is left with you? X is equal to x2 plus x3 plus x1 divided by 3. This is the value of x, means x is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. You can read it like this also. Now similarly you can write y is y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. This is the formula of centroid. X and y have been considered coordinates of centroid. Now x becomes x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y becomes y1 plus y2 plus y3. This way, this is the derivation of a centroid of a triangle. For example, you get a question in examination, how to find centroid of triangle if three vertices of triangle are given like this: x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. First of all, you have to draw a median. Once you draw a median, you get point D over here. This becomes midpoint of line segment. These two vertices are given. By applying midpoint formula, you can very easily find coordinates of point D. Once you got points of D, these are the points of D: x2, x3 by 2, y2 plus y3 by 2. Now AD, consider AD line segment. This has been divided by this point in certain ratio. And what is that ratio? 2 is to 1. Now you can apply section formula. After applying section formula, we can find value of x as well as y. For example, you are given a triangle ABC and certain vertices are given like this: 3, 4, 2, 1, 5, 6. You may get plus minus. These points can lie in any of the four quadrants. So centroid, how will you find? This one is x1, x2, x3. X becomes 3 plus 2 plus 5 by 3. It becomes 10 by 3. This is the value of x. Similarly, y1 is 4. This is 1. This is 6 by 3. You get 11 by 3. Like this, you can find centroid of a triangle. I think it's very much clear to you.